How to join expired Telegram link. So if you want to join an expired Telegram link, then first you need to open up a Telegram application. Once you open the Telegram, make sure to log into your account. And once you're here on the Telegram application, now if you simply go and tap on the link, and if the link says expired, then what you can do is just simply generate a new link. So you can simply go for the channel. Once you're here on the channel or the group, go for the profile, which is on the upper side. And once you're here on the profile, go for the pencil shaped icon, which is on the upper right. And here you will have invite links option. Tap on invite link, and then you can simply tap on create a new link. Now once you've created, or once you've here on this page, make sure that you have the time period on no limit. So if you have set that to 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 week, then your link will be expired in that limited period. So if you don't want your link to be expired, then you can simply set no limit, and then you can also tap on no limit under the number of users, and then enter a name, your link name, and then tap on create link. Once you've created, you can go for the right side of that link, which has that 3 dots icon, and then go for share link or copy link, and then you can share that with your friends, and now that link has the capacity. So that's how you can join an expired Telegram link. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.